Who wants to fight my face?
I thought you'd be more upset about the rodent part.
Ain't nothing in the universe like me, Sentiment.
And that is precisely why he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him. Which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable powers coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension. Over, yes.
At least we are well secured.
Wait, what?
Now what's the fault of the business?
You didn't understand. You're prisoners.
Go ahead and figure it
I
out.
told you to wait for the ship.
Oh, so cute. I could watch him all day.
Attention terriers, may I present to you Tannerine the Collector. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelier Tavon's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ow! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Racoon, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Huh. I'm gonna take this. No.
clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
This is the moment I've been waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll.